Good morning, dear students. Now we shall see exercise 2.3. Okay, this is based on modular arithmetic. Question number 1, subdivision 1. 71 is congruent to x mod 8. 71 is congruent to x mod 8. Find the least positive value of x. Find the least positive value. What is the meaning? There may be so many values for this x satisfying this condition. Okay, among all the values, we have to find out the least positive value. Okay, 71 is congruent to x mod 8. We should see. We know that if A is congruent to B mod n, then A minus B is divisible by n. Okay, this is the property of modular arithmetic. If A is congruent to B mod n, A minus B is divisible by n. This one already we have seen. Now we apply this. See, 71 is congruent to x mod 8. This means, therefore, this 71 minus x is divisible by 8. Is it not? 71 minus x is divisible by 8. Now we find the values of x. Okay, after subtraction from 71, it is divisible by 8. Okay. Now let's consider. See, when x is 1, we have to give positive values for this x. X is 1 means 71 minus 1, 70. Is that divisible by 8? No. 71 minus 2. 71 minus 3, 71 minus 4, like that we try and then see. After trial, we find out when x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. This is the least positive value. X is equal to 7. 71 minus 7 is equal to 64. And the 64 is divisible by 8. When x is 7, 71 minus 7 is equal to 64, and the 64 is divisible by 8. Before 7 you cannot think of any other value for this x. 71 minus that x is divisible by 8. So the first value is 7. Then divisible by 8. So what will be the next value? We want to find out the values divisible by 8. So we add 8 with this 7. So 15. So when x is 15, 71 minus 15 is equal to, so this will be 56, 8 sevens are. So this is divisible by 8. So x is, what will be the next value? Now you can find out. First value we find out, we found as 7. What is the second value? 7 plus 8, 15. The third value will be 15 plus 8, that is 23. When x is 23, 71 minus 23 is equal to, 71 minus 23 is equal to, what it will be? (48). 48 it is divisible by 8. Okay, 8 6 and so on. So many values are there for x. Okay, but after subtraction from 71 divisible by 8. We want the least among all these values. What is the least among all these values? 7, 15, 23. The least is 7. Therefore, the least positive value of x is equal to 7. Because 7 is the required answer. It's very easy. You remember that property. If A is congruent to B mod n, A minus B is divisible by n. That's okay. Thank you.